In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Questionnaire Tool in GPT Connect. The Questionnaire Tool allows you to conduct surveys and quizzes with real-time feedback on results. Let me demonstrate it for you. Before creating the questionnaire, let's first design the flow our users will get after the questionnaire is completed. Now let's head to the Tool section to create our questionnaire. Select the flow to be triggered once the questionnaire is completed. Input your questions and select the appropriate response type. You can also include multiple-choice answered questions. Let's save our questionnaire and navigate to the Flow section. We now create our questionnaire flow. To create our questionnaire flow, go to Action, select Questionnaire, and select the questionnaire we created. Time to test our flow. Now let's go back to the Tool section to check the information of the questionnaire applicants. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.